How I book calls from school this week. And these are essentially the messages I received after essentially helping out a few people on school and this as well. And the reason for why I'm showing the message, I think the most important part is really this part where it says, let me know when you're free for Zoom. I will make myself available. Like, or this, my email is, if you're interested in helping, thank you. I think that's the most important part because if you've been in some sort of sales environment where you need to like talk with people, there are different kinds of leads. Some are more hip on jumping on a call, and some are more skeptical to jumping on a call. And I've talked with enough people to know when somebody is super eager to jump on a call, that's a very good sign of a lead that is not skeptical to you or the company. Essentially, they actually want to talk with you, and they're probably going to be open about whatever thing they want your help with. And the reason for why I'm mostly sharing this is because this week I was actually helping out people in on school in some communities for AI where they were asking for help with a task, and I decided to essentially solve the problem, record a loom, and then post it in the comments. And the goal wasn't really to jump on a call with them. That wasn't really the goal. The goal was simply that they were asking for help with something, and I wanted to see if I could figure it out. And with some of them, I figured it out, and then I just posted a video of the solution. I just said, "Hey, here's the solution. Here is the workflow in end-to-end, and you can simply just use this, and it should work right away. If it doesn't work, just let me know in the comments, and I will just comment away until it works." And that's essentially what I did. And in these cases, these people will seriously reach out to me in the DMs like, "Hey, like, thank you. Can we jump on a call and like set it up? Or can you help me more? Can you do something more?" And I will be like, "Oh, that's so interesting because I just wanted to help you and solve the problem. I wasn't really looking for anything." And it kind of made me realize that because now when I'm looking through the comments of what a lot of people are doing, and this is just my experience, but what I've seen is that a lot of people will actually use comment with a partial solution, or they will say, "Oh, I know how to fix this, just DM me." And I get why they're doing it because they kind it's like kind of turning the problem itself into a lead magnet, and I get it. The only thing is that I think a lot of people have seen that, so they kind of want to avoid that altogether. And when I decided to go out and simply just drop a loom and share the workflow and be like, "Hey, here it is," I think that's kind of different from what you might see normally because if most people are asking like DM me so I can give you the solution, and I'm just going, here's the loom of me doing it and here's the workflow, I guess that's just solving the thing that we're asking for. I guess that's the thing that is different here and why it worked so well when I did it. Because my thinking was they should actually get this and it should work right away without having them to DM me. They shouldn't really need to do that. Like it should work out of the box. In this case, of course, if they want to like change things around, we're probably gonna have to talk some more. But my intention was that here is the solution for the problem you're looking at, and for that problem, this is gonna solve it, and that's it. And yeah, so that's like essentially how I actually got booked some calls from school, and I'm probably gonna do more of this essentially because it's working. And yeah, I mean, so yeah, I mean, it's working for me, and I'm happy with that. But it's I think it's important that I'm not really doing this. I'm not giving them the information in the hopes that they will feel, "Oh, now I gotta order some more." Not everybody's gonna feel like that. It just depends on the situation. Like some in most cases, they're gonna get the solution they need, and if they wanna like fix things or do some other things, they might wanna talk some more about it. But the intention here is really to help them. That's the entire thing. And I think when you come from that view, where the goal is like, okay, we're gonna help them as much as possible. I think that's at least for me that works a lot better versus just commenting a lot of things and just not really helping in real. And here is, for example, one post from a member inside the community, and I just simply just wanted to share this because she's looking for somebody to hire. Essentially, this is a hiring position. So it's kind of different for sure, but in my head, I'm just thinking that okay, they want to hire somebody, and when I'm looking through the comments, I'm seeing that a lot of people is going with, "Oh yeah, I can help you with it. I can solve this. Let's talk some more." But I don't know. I feel like in my head, I will probably just build out some sort of workflow and share that with a Loom and be like, hey, is this something that you're kind of looking for from a person that can help you in this case? Or did I miss anything? I think that will be a lot better because it does go like creating a workflow, it doesn't take a lot of time to make a functional workflow. Then, of course, getting into the nitty gritty of things takes a lot more time. But creating a workflow that essentially works and can do these things that they're asking for, you could probably like nail that within like 2 3 hours, even four, easily. And you share it and be like, hey, is this like what you're looking for? And also, something I've noticed that because I've been building a lot of these things, I built out a lot of parts in different places. So oftentimes I can just go and copy that bit from that workflow and just paste it in here. For example, I work with Twilio, so I already have some sort of workflow for that. And then Vapi, that's the same thing. I worked with that as well. So it doesn't take as much time to build it out once you've worked with these tools once somewhere. At least what I've noticed. Of course, if you're making it from scratch and you haven't worked with the tools, then it's gonna take some more time because then you need to like actually build out the entire thing. But uh, I mean, seriously, I've been watching so many tutorials at this point that I have like the majority of the builds that people are asking for, and that's like why it kind of goes a lot faster for me to build out things, at least that most people are asking for. I'm not really gonna apply for this, but I just thought it was interesting because in a way I could build like workflow and just ask them like, hey, is this what you're looking for? If it's not, just let me know and I can like make changes. I think that will work a lot better because then you will be able to share that, hey, I read over your post and I built something based on your post. Because then people can tell that, oh, this is actually built for me. Even though you're taking parts from different places, it's not like everything is already pre-built. If you can have something pre-built, that's for sure cool. But in this case, you might have to like build some parts of it and just show them that, hey, this was built for you. But either way, if you like this video, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.